Good morning, everybody. I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, and the SY BSc syllabus is to be implemented from CBCS Choice Based Credit System syllabus from the academic year 220-221. Today I delivered a lecture on semester 3rd, paper 1st, taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology. This paper carry 2 credit points. I discuss credit first, chapter 4, binomial nomenclature. In binomial nomenclature, there is another article, that is International Core of Nomenclature in Algae, Fungi and Plants. There is a set of rules. There is International Core of Nomenclature of Algae, Fungi and Plants. In this article, there is a set of rules and recommendation dealing with formal botanical names that are given to plants, fungi and algae. Formal botanical names. This is a set of rules and regulations of nomenclature. It was formerly called ICBN, that is ICN, International Core of Nomenclature is formerly called ICN, and it is changed. ICN name is changed in the Melbourne, Australia, Melbourne in Australia in 2011, in the year 2011. This is called Melbourne Core, which is replaced by Vienna Core of 2005. The current version of the code is the Shenzhen Code, adopted by the International Botanical Congress held in Shenzhen in China by July 2017. There is a code in this nomenclature, International Code of Nomenclature. There is a code, Vienna Code, Shenzhen Code, Melbourne Code, Cambridge Code, then various types of codes, various codes in this nomenclature. The names of the code is partially or partly capitalized and partly not. The code is formerly, or code is partially or partly capitalized and partly not. The lower case for algae, fungi and plants indicate that these forms are not formal. These forms are not formal names of clades that but begins groups of organisms. This indicates blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, fungi, chytrids, oomycetes, slime molds. These pathogens, these fungi pathogens named in ICN or in the ICBN code. Photosynthetic plants and taxonomically changed plants are discussed in this ICBN code. There are special provisions in the ICN for fossils. In the fossil plants, there is a special code in the International Code of Nomenclature. The nomenclature section of the 18th ICBN Congress in Melbourne, Australia 2011 made major changes in the ICN codes. The code now permits electronic only publications of names of new taxa. Electronic permits publications of names of new taxa. The recurrent or the requirement for Latin diagnosis was changed to allow English or Latin. The requirement of Latin diagnosis was changed in the English also for publications. This is the included in Article 39. Then one fungus name and one fossil name are important changes. There is only one fungus name and there is only one fossil name. This is important. That is TB Teleomorpha, Anomorpha for fungi and Morphotaxa for fossil have eliminated. Teleomorpha and Anomorpha for fungi and Morphotaxa for fossil have been eliminated. Registration of new names of fungi, registration of new name of fungus require the use of an identifier from recognized respiratory. Recognized respiratory, there is new names of fungus registration. Then there are contents of botanical name. There are two contents of botanical, or there are three contents of botanical code: principles, rules and appendices. Principles of botanical code, rules and recommendation of botanical codes, and appendices of botanical codes. Then first, principles. Botanical nomenclature is not, or botanical nomenclature is independent of zoological nomenclature. Botanical nomenclature is independent of zoological nomenclature. The applications of name of taxonomy group is eliminated. The nomenclature is based on the priority of publications. Each taxonomic group is only correct name. Scientific names of plants are treated in Latin. Rules of nomenclature are retroactive into rule set of articles 75. The detailed provisions are divided into rules of set of articles and recommendation. These 7 are principles in the ICN of lower plant, that is algae, fungi and also plants. Then rules of recommendation of nomenclature. The objects of the rules are to put forth nomenclature of the past plant into order and provide future. This is the first rule. The objects of the nomenclature or objects of the rules are to put forth nomenclature of past into order of future, order and provide future. The recommendation deals with subsidiary point. Their objects bring about greater uniformity of cleanliness. Then third rules of recommendation, the provision regulating the modification of this code from its last divisions. Then fourth rules, the rules and recommendation apply to all organisms. Fifth rules, special provisions are needed for certain groups of plants. Then next point, aim of nomenclature. First, changes of nomenclature. Second, aim of rules of nomenclature, and third, rules of nomenclature. First, aim of nomenclature is one name can be rightly applied to one taxon. There is only one name can be applied to only one taxon. That is brinjal plant, Solanum melongena, not other generic name. Then second aim, one taxon should have only one correct name. One taxon should have only one correct name in the world. One name can be rightly applied to one taxon in the world. And this is applied or discussed, and this is put forth in the ICN or ICBN. Then rules of nomenclature. Long generic names with difficult pronunciation must be avoided. Long generic name but difficult pronunciation must be avoided. That is, avoid long generic name and pronunciation, difficult pronunciation. Second rules, generic names and specific names are given to the perfectly named plant. Generic names and specific names are given to the perfectly to the plant. That is, there is meaning of generic name, there is a meaning of specific name or varieties. Third rules of nomenclature, the specific name must be differentiate a plant from all allied species. The specific name must be differentiate a plant from all allied species. Fourth, the species is not distinguished the species is not distributed by its size. The size of the plant, size of the leaf, size of the stem, if large and one plant is small, this is not distributed and not give the different name or different species of that plant. Then color should not be treated as specific difference. If green color, dark color, yellow color, this color when present or when appear to the species, this color differentiation not treated as specific name or specific difference. Each plant species must possess a generic name. Each plant species must possess generic name. That is specific name, small group, then generic name, then order, then series, subclass, subclass, subdivision, division and kingdom. This is hierarchy. The generic name must be followed by specific name with authority. The generic name must be followed by specific name with authority. That is Mangifera indica. Mangifera is the generic name. Indica is a specific name. And then authority of the plant. That is Lin, L-I-N, Lin or Linnaeus, who described how or who discovered this plant. Hence, there is a authority is important. Linnaeus, Bentham and Hooke, Bentham and Hooker. Then the shorter specific name is always better. Shorter specific name is always better. That is Diphtheria picta, P-I-C-T-A, specific name. Diphtheria generic name. That is picta is a specific name. That is shorter specific name is always better. Today we discuss only plant nomenclature of International Code for Nomenclature, that is ICN, in algae, fungi and plants. There is a changes of code of ICN to ICBN. In Melbourne Congress in Australia, there is a change of ICN, International Code of Nomenclature, to ICBN, formerly called ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, because algae, fungi, pterido plants are included in the plant kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision. Then content of botanical code, that is principle. There is 6 principles of contents of botanical code. The code permits electronic only. The code's first principle, the code's permits electronic only publication of name of new taxa. Second, the requirement of Latin diagnosis was changed to allow the requirement of Latin diagnosis to change to allow Latin and also English language. One fungus, one name, one fossil, one name. Registration of new names of fungus. These are changes. Then what is the principle? Botanical nomenclature is independent to zoological nomenclature. This is the first principle. The applications of taxonomic group is determined by the means of nomenclature. Second principle. Third principle, the nomenclature is based on the priority of publications. Fourth principle, each taxonomic group only play correct name. Fifth principle, scientific names are treated in the Latin language. Then rules of nomenclature are retroactive and the detailed provisions are divided into rules and set of articles in 75 articles and recommendations. These are principles. Then rules and recommendation of nomenclature. Rules and recommendation of in this, the object of the rules are put to the nomenclature. Second, the recommendation deals with subsidiary point. Third, the provision regulating the modification of this code. Fourth, the rules and recommendation apply to the organisms and special provision is needed. And then aims one name and one taxon is rightly applied. Second, one taxon should have only one correct name. Then rules of nomenclature and appendices of nomenclature. That is, color or size of the species do not change the specific name. Or each plant species must have or possesses generic name. This is rules, recommendation, changes, aims, principles and appendices of International Code for Nomenclature of algae, fungi, lichen, bryophytes. This video lecture is only for SYBSc students, and it is only educational purpose of SYBSc students. Thank you.